Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconiana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have a vintage 2007 Zippo Windproof lighter advertising Rainier Pacific. If I remember from my research before, this is a bank that failed sometime in the last 10-15 years, doesn't exist anymore, but still a cool advertising lighter that might appeal to someone who worked there or just from that general region of the country. It's a brushed chrome finish lighter, and I'm not sure what you would call the process by which the engraving or emblem logo is fixed upon the lighter. Sort of a shaded look, and it stands out. Definitely focuses you on that portion of the lighter, so I think that they did what they were aiming to do in creating this advertising lighter. Very understated, still cool lighter. This lighter would also appeal to anyone who wanted a brushed chrome Zippo from the year 2007 to carry. This lighter has not been used. You can see the other video where we removed the red or orange safety sticker. I'm going to try to be very careful here because I don't want to scratch up this insert any more than I have to. But you can see that there aren't a lot of scratches on it. The windscreen may have some scuffs, minor wear, stuff like that. May even have a little bit of a sweep there, and that's what I'm trying to avoid. I have to take a look when I post the pictures with the listing that I note that. I'm not sure if the pictures really accentuated that possible damage or minor damage, whatever you would call it, but also appears to be some residue or something here on the file wheel. Can't remember what well, no, I do remember. The flint tube was not seized up. The flint was still in good shape when we got it. Which had this lighter for at least a year, so that's at least 15 years that lighter sat there with that flint sedentary in it, but apparently never had the proper moisture or other environmental factors come to bear upon the lighter to cause that flint to degrade, turn to concrete or dust. There you can see that tube is clear. The lighter is marked K of 07, so that would be November. See that there are very few scratches from the lighter sliding in and out, or the insert sliding in and out of the lighter, but there are some. More prevalent on the back, it looks like, than the front, though you can see some on the front as well. It is marked J of 07. So I believe that would be October of 07. Brand new. Don't believe it's ever been struck. The flint was still intact. And I believe we're going to take a look. That's the base felt pad there, lift to fill, and it has the hole. But we are going to look at the box and the paperwork that will come with this lighter. And like I said, I definitely want to note that there appears to be some minor sweeping there off the corner of that windscreen on the back side. So we will not be opening this back up again. Here is the box that it came in. No label. The orange safety sticker that we peeled off the back. Also the original flint that dropped out of the lighter in that other video. Then we have your Zippo pamphlet, instructions and advertisement, all that good stuff. Your warranty information, and there are photos of all of this that will be posted in the listing as well. So just the typical, I believe still current, black Zippo box. So there are some imperfections, minor scratches, scuffs. I don't believe anything major, any dings, dents, more just minor finish wear. Again, it is a brushed chrome finish lighter, which they typically have the brush finish on the front and the back, and then the high polish or more mirror finish around the edges and spines, top and bottom. There's a good look at your base stamp, K, and Zippo with the registered symbol, I believe, 07. Bradford, PA, made in USA. And I can't even remember now the entire circumstances that I came to acquire this lighter. I am certain that it was with several others. And I haven't even done any comps to know. I think this will probably be, I don't know, $35, $40 range maybe. And while the company may be out of business, there could always be some interest from people who might share part of the name, or, as I mentioned earlier, reside on the Pacific coast. I do not remember from the previous research exactly where this particular company was located. I'm thinking it was Oregon, Washington, somewhere around in there. But a nice advertising lighter, which itself at this point is 18 years old or so, or coming upon it this coming fall, so about 17 years old. And it will be listed at dependableflame.com/current eBay listings. Until next time.